butter cookies that melt in your mouth. First, add 60 grams of room temperature butter to a bowl. Whip it until it is fluffy and pale. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes, that's all. I am using an electric hand beater. You can also use a hand whisk, but it needs a lot of elbow grease. Don't forget to scrape the sides. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Now add half a cup of granulated sugar. You can also add powdered sugar. It will be totally fine. Whip it nicely until it is more pale and fluffy. This adds a lot of air into your butter mixture. You can see it has turned white. Now add 1 cup of all-purpose flour into the mixture. And mix it until it forms a crumbled mixture and then into a soft mixture. You can see it is turning soft. It holds shape and it is a super smooth dough. Give it another mix. Now bring the dough together. Do not knead it, but just bring it together. Scrape the bottom of the bowl. Perfect texture for a cookie dough. Now divide it into 2 and you can add any flavoring of your choice. Make sure you store the other half in the fridge or else the butter in it will melt. I am using jeera today to make it a nice jeera biscuit. Take a parchment lined oven tray and make small balls and flatten the small balls and place it on the tray. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 15 minutes or until brown. After baking it smells really good. The whole kitchen smells buttery. Make sure you bring it at room temperature before taking it out of the oven tray. Bringing it to room temperature makes it more crispy. To the other half, I am going to show you how to cook it on a stove top. First, line some parchment paper on a pan using butter. In the similar way, make some balls of the dough and flatten it with your palm and place it on the parchment paper. Make sure it is the same size. Now cook it on low flame on both the sides for around 15 to 20 minutes. Avoid burning it. After 20 minutes, bring it to a room temperature to make it crispy. The oven baked one and the stove cooked one taste the same, buttery and delicious. It is a yummy tea time snack, especially on rainy days with hot chai. Make sure you like, share and comment on this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel Feeling Food. Thank you.